Good morning, students. We have started with chapter 6 and we are discussing molecular basis of inheritance. In this, we have started the topic the search for genetic material. That is, in a cell, which molecule, carbohydrate, protein, fats, or the nucleic acids, they act as genetic material, means they are transferred from one generation to the next. In this search, we have done the first experiment, which is called transforming experiment or the Griffiths experiment. The conclusion of Griffiths experiment was, which was confirmed by Avery, MacLeod, and McCarty. These experiments proved that DNA is the genetic material. Now we have the second evidence or second experiment which will prove that DNA act as the genetic material, and this experiment is called the bacteriophage experiment, or it is also called Hershey and Chase experiment after the name of the scientist Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. Two scientists, Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase, they experimentally proved that DNA is the genetic material. Now, what was the aim of the material? To prove that DNA is the genetic material. And Hershey and Chase worked to discover whether it was protein or DNA of the virus that entered the bacteria. Experiment was given by Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase in 1952. In this experiment, they experimented on two individuals, bacteriophage and Escherichia coli. What is bacteriophage? A bacteriophage is a virus that attacks bacteria. Bacteriophage is a virus that attacks bacteria. And what is the structure? This bacteriophage, it consists of two parts. One is the outer body part, which is made up of protein. This all outer part, it is made up of proteins, and there is the genetic material, and this genetic material is DNA. Bacteriophage is a virus which attacks bacteria, and this virus has two structures. It is made up of a outer protein coat and a DNA. Now, when this bacteriophage, this is point to be noted, when the bacteriophage was grown in a culture medium containing radioactive isotope of sulfur. Otherwise, atomic number of sulfur is 16 and atomic mass is 31. Now, the radioactive isotope of sulfur has atomic mass 35. When this bacteriophage was grown in a medium containing radioactive isotope of sulfur, that is 16 as 35, then this radioactive sulfur, it got incorporated into the protein only, but not DNA. Means if we will grow these bacteriophage in a culture medium containing radioactive isotope of sulfur 16 as 35, then this sulfur will become a part of, it will enter only in this protein coat, but it will not incorporate into DNA. And when this bacteriophage was grown in a culture medium containing radioactive isotope of phosphorus, that is 15p32, then this radioactive phosphorus, it incorporated into DNA but not the protein. Means when we will grow this bacteriophage in a culture medium containing radioactive phosphorus, so then this phosphorus will enter, it will incorporate only into DNA, but it will not become a part of protein. By keeping these 2 points in mind, we will explain the bacteriophage experiment.